Hello guys, this is Young Flex and my friend Young Woody. We're gonna have some late night fireworks.
Oh, crazy. That's it for the video for today.
That's it. I see you.
See you in the next one.
Over and out.